Morning. It's warm in here. These are penguins grooming themselves. Yeah. These guys are just hopping around. They're busy. Hop, hop, hop. 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 What are they doing? Very busy. Morning, guys. You guys all cleaned up? How you doing? Yeah. There's a couple more over here. Yeah. That handsome guy. At the Dallas World Aquarium. Yeah. Looks like they don't really see anything in here. What's that? Yeah, I don't see anything. Look at this gentleman. Look at him. Whoa! Yeah. Nice. He knows what he's doing. Look how smooth he moves. Like he thinks about every little move he makes. Here he comes. See if we can duck down and see him again. He's making some rounds. Ooh, he's got a damaged fin. Just hanging out up there. It's pretty cool. Huh? Yeah. It's kind of cool how you can see the rainforest exhibit through there. Look at him, he's showing off. He's showing off his tongue.
Can I keep you?
I think your mom would not be happy about having him. Look at him, he's cool. He's moving around. Some snakes coiled up in the background. It's a beaded lizard. He's cool. Maybe he thinks you have food. Or he thinks you're lunch. He's pretty cool. I don't know. Maybe he's just friendly. Just a friendly lizard. Your sister's favorite thing. When she was a baby, she would call them mangoes. Now she says flamingos. I want to see the mangoes. That's what she used to say.
He's doing yoga.
He's doing some yoga? I don't know, maybe he's doing some martial arts, some sort of form. Cool. Yeah, they're swimming. A lot of humidity, so you can't see them so good. They're checking us out though. They're curious. Probably just want food. The blue poison dart frog. Oh, you found him. These guys are hard to find. There he is. Where's the other one?
He's towards over there.
Oh yeah, he's way in the back. He's hiding. Nice. Where was he hiding? Yeah. Yeah. Wow. He's off. Okay, you wanna go see what else we can find? Look at these guys.
Kind of looks like.
It's interesting how they move. Yeah. So it says Southern Australia is where you find those guys.
There's something else down here.
Yeah, they're all down
Some all look like that.
there. Look at these guys. They're just glowing. Looks like they have bright, glowing eyes. It's pretty neat. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh yeah. Yeah, is that wild? It's like a giant sea turtle. Is that the sea turtle skull? Mammoth? Yeah, it's a dire wolf. It's basically just a big dog. 50,000 to 23,000 years ago. Bison. Ancient giant bison. Look at the size of that. compared to you've seen bison before at Yellowstone. Yeah, that's wild. Yeah, it's like the bison we've seen when we go visit out in the west. It's pretty wild to think that all these were formed by the earth. And there's your mother's birthstone, opal. We're at the Perot Nature and Science Museum. Up another one. It's like it's taking us on a ride. What? There's another one. I can't believe this. Whoa, there's a T-Rex up there.
T-Rex coming.
Yeah. It's wild. It's a humid, foggy day in Dallas. We were just at the Dallas World Aquarium all the way over there. Now, T-Rex. Want me to battle you for a little bit? Alright, let's try it. I'll try it. Oh, you gotcha. It's funny.